In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an order on 1688 app and pay with bank card. First, open the 1688 app and search for what you need. You'll get better results by using Chinese keywords, so consider translating your product terms beforehand. When you land on a product page, take a moment to review the price tiers, the minimum order quantity, and all available options like color, size, and variants. This helps you avoid surprises at checkout and ensures you're comparing the right listings. Before you buy, carefully vet the seller. Look for stores that have been operating for several years, ideally 3 or more, with a diamond or crown rating and solid transaction volume. Read buyer reviews and prioritize those with photos. A detailed product description is a good sign of reliability. Be cautious of listings with unusually low prices and no reviews. It's smart to message the seller. Tap Lian Shi Mai Jia and ask whether the item is in stock, how long it will take to ship, and if they can deliver to your warehouse city. Keeping all communication inside 1688 protects you, since everything remains on record within the platform. Next, add a China shipping address. Go to My Account, then Shipping Address, and enter your freight forwarder's Chinese address exactly as provided. Double check the recipient name, phone number, and city. Accuracy here prevents delays and misroutes, and many warehouses offer a template. Use it to avoid typos. Now add the item to your cart. Choose the correct color, size, and quantity. Tap Jia Ru Jin Huodan to add it, then open Jin Huodan to review your selections. Make sure the quantities align with the minimum order and your actual needs, especially if you're testing samples versus placing a bulk order. Proceed to checkout by tapping Kujie Swan. Confirm the order details and select Zifu Bao, Alipay, as the payment method. You can pay with a bank card by linking it inside Alipay, then completing the payment securely. Alipay holds your funds in escrow until the seller ships, which gives you a layer of protection. Ensure your card details and account identity match to avoid verification issues. Track your order under My Orders. You'll see statuses like Dai Fa Huo, meaning not shipped yet, and Yi Fa Huo, meaning shipped. Monitor the shipment as it moves to your warehouse, and if timelines slip, message the seller right away. Finally, once your warehouse receives the goods, choose air or sea shipping based on cost and urgency. Pay the international shipping fee and track your parcel to your country. Consider consolidating multiple orders to save on freight and prepare any required customs documents in advance.